Press the boot shutdown button. After the screen shows OFF, press the clean button. The machine will start to automatically clean itself for 45 minutes. After the automatic cleaning is completed, it will start to make ice. Step 1. Clean the water pump. Unscrew the 3 screws at the top and remove the front panel. Unscrew the 2 screws on the back and remove the top panel. Unscrew the screws that fix the water pump and remove the water pipe on the side. Remove the water pump and wipe it with a towel. Step 2. Remove the ice shield and clean the electronic float ball. Unscrew the screws that fix the electronic float ball and remove the electronic float ball. Rotate the bottom of the electronic float ball in a counterclockwise direction. After removing the blue part, wipe the electronic float ball with a towel until it rotates smoothly after the wiping is completed. Then restore the blue part to its original position. Press the electronic float ball with your left hand firmly and rotate the nut clockwise with your right hand to fix it. Fix the electronic float ball with screws. After securing the electronic float ball, place the water pump back in its original position and secure it with screws. Insert the white water inlet pipe. Pay attention to also inserting the inlet pipe at the back. Step 3. Clean the spray pipe. Unscrew the part that fixes the spray pipe and remove the spray pipe. Unscrew the screws on both sides of the spray pipe. Then remove the inner spray pipe. Clean the outer and inner spray pipe. After cleaning, position the inner spray pipe hole downward and the outer spray pipe hole upward and install them at a 180-degree angle. Tighten the screws, put the spray pipe back in place, and connect the protruding part of the spray pipe to the water pipe. The holes of the external spray pipe need to be aligned with the ice tray. Finally, secure the spray pipe. Put the ice plate. Reset the top cover and the front panel. Cleaning is complete.